Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make simple ponytails for yourself at home. This ponytail is very beautiful that you can use it for your adorable, and you can also use it on your hair, either if you are on natural hair or you are on a retouch hair. It's very simple. All I need to do is get a hairband, then my kinky twist extension, divide it to the length that you want. This particular one, I'm doing a very short buns for my hair, so I divided it, and the next thing I was doing, you can see me doing it now, is tying the extension of the hairband that I've got. You can see that hairband very well. Now sorry I did not post the full video of the hairband. After tying all the hair on the hairband, just make sure the hair is full on the hairband, so that by the time you place it on your hair, it will look full and it will come out. Depends on you anyway, but this particular one is not too full and it's not too small. I love it the way it is. You can make your own better. This is a good DIY. You can do it. You don't need to know how to braid hair before you can do this for yourself at home. It's very beautiful, especially when you have urgent occasion that you need to attend to and you don't have time to go and be braiding your hair. Just do this quick hairband braid. Can weave your hair and put it, or you pack your hair and put it. Watch this video to the end because you will learn a lot from it. And if you have adorable that you don't know any quick style to make on her hair, this is very good also. You can do this for her, and in less than 5 minutes the hair is ready. After doing this hairband, what you need to do on your adorable is to pack her hair, then make it look beautiful. After packing the hair, make it look beautiful, then you put the hair bond. You are good to go for any occasion with your child. Mind you, you don't need to know how to braid before you do this particular hair bond that I'm showing you. Now I'm done with it. I like this fullness. Now what you need to do, use your hand to brush it out, then trim the excess part so that it will be equal and it will look beautiful. This is me trying to trim the excess part of it so that by the time I put it on, it will look very beautiful. So make sure you trim it very well, because trimming is very important on doing this particular hair bond, because it will make the hair look beautiful and look equal by the time you are wearing it on your hair. Another thing I love about myself now is I make my hair by myself. I don't stretch people to come and make my hair for me. Ever since I started making my hair, there's the joy of losing and giving myself any style at any time. Before making this hair, I remember I did a particular hairstyle on my hair about 4 days later before I now decided to change it to this particular hairstyle that I'm making now. You can see the love of making your hair by yourself, no bound. I make my hair by myself. Watch this video and the result of this hairstyle is going to be amaze you, and it's something that you can do by yourself. It's very simple. Remember, my hair is a fussy hair, it's a natural hair. I've not put fertilizer on it, so and it still look good on this simple gel that I'm applying. If you don't know, there is a gel for natural hair. That is what I'm applying. It's not normal gel that you know. I'm using gel for natural hair. This is what I'm using in this video, though I did not show the gel that I'm using, but the gel is meant for natural hair. Yeah, I'm done with the hairstyle, trying to put my hair bond. You can see how I'm tying the hairband. This is it. It's very beautiful and it's good for every occasion. Imagine you have this type of hair bond, 2, 3 for your adorable, or you have it for yourself. Look at me now. How do you see it? In less than 5 minutes, I've made this hair for myself. And remember, the next day is church. I have to go to church with this beautiful hairstyle. How do you see it? Drop your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to rate this hairstyle. If you are going to try it, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to always come back and share for more simple tutorial like this that you can make for yourself at home, even if you don't know how to braid. Thanks for watching. Bye.